Hi, this is Jay Morin at Keller Williams Realty. If you're like me, you might have a lot of yard damage from the recent storms. I mean, this is a bit of a mess. A huge branch pulled off our willow tree, and it's 6 or 8 inches around. So really knowing how to use these implements, this is to knock off the really smaller ends of the branches, but not to cut the tree. We have a chainsaw crew coming to help us with that. Making sure they're fully insured and really responsible, and also that their price is pretty reasonable is also a consideration. But safety is paramount, and just remember when you're wielding power equipment, make sure you know the safety protocols on it and that you're experienced. If you're not, maybe look at taking a class or talking to people who are experienced. So hope you have a great day, be safe, and let spring roll through.